In this video, I'm going to be going over how you can make your work life fun and how this can actually change your life. Yo, what is good, everybody? It's your boy Noah back again with another YouTube video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to today's video. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Noah and I help people awaken to their true abilities through wellness and spirituality, aka Noah's Ark, and I am very glad that each and every one of you guys decided to tune into my video today because this is a powerful video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how you can change your work life and make it fun. I know a lot of us tend to get caught up with the race of work and coming home and what am I going to do at work. A lot of people are just caught up in getting to and from work, right? Because a lot of the times we don't enjoy our work life. And this is very, very normal for us because we have been taught to work for certain companies, work until you die type of thing. Something that is important about our work life is that we can make it fun for us. We can make it how we always have a good shift no matter what we are doing. I'm gonna be going over with you guys today how you can make your work life fun and why this is gonna change your life, because in my everyday job, I work in sales if you're curious, and I never have a bad shift. There's never a time where I go into the shift and I walk out of there saying, man, this was a bad shift. Never. That is never, I mean, that hasn't happened to me for years, right? And it's because of something that I'm going to talk to you guys about. It's this one philosophy that I've adopted within my work life that has been life-changing for me. Now, what is this philosophy? What is this mindset that I've adopted? Well, it's quite simple, actually. Every single time that you go into work, do you see somebody? If the answer to that question was yes, this is going to be powerful for you, but this can overall be powerful in everybody's work life because of this one idea of perspective that is so important when we are entering the shift, clocking in and clocking out. And changing your perspective of work can be powerful. Now, what am I talking about when I say change your perspective? What I mean is, instead of going into the shift thinking, man, when is it going to be over? When can I just get out of here? A lot of people think that way, and that is very normal. But if you are always going into work thinking like that, you might just have to quit your job. But this perspective is going to help you change the way you look at work and make work fun. That perspective that I have adopted is one of, instead of looking at work as a job, instead of looking at work as a chore, go into your job thinking, how can I help people today? Right? How can I provide value and service to somebody else? How can I give somebody a good experience? You know, and this can be very, very small. It doesn't have to be something that is tremendously big, that requires a lot of effort. This can be just as simple as giving somebody a smile, or giving somebody a compliment, or showing somebody appreciation, saying thank you. Thank you for said thing. Thank you for being kind to me. Thank you for always having my back. I know there's always at least that one coworker that we really appreciate. And so this can apply to each and every one of you when I talk about this, is show that coworker a level of appreciation. Let them know that I appreciate you for working with me. You make my work life easier. You never know the type of impact that that can have on somebody's life and just somebody's day. You just never know if somebody's having a bad day, and you can uplift them with this perspective. The power is in your intention. Your intention is going to be very, very powerful when we adopt this mindset, because when we show up to work, we have to set an intention that we are going to provide peace. We are going to provide positivity. We are going to make somebody's day. And when we adopt this perspective of intention, and once we add an intention, we set an intention to our everyday jobs, this is when the ultimate change happens. This is when we can actually go into the shift happy. Happy that we're working, happy that we get an opportunity to work as well. You might not like your job right now, but maybe this perspective helps you out and it helps you have a less negative day. We have to understand that we have the power to inspire people. We have the power to change somebody's day. We have to believe that within ourselves, because once we believe that within ourselves, then we can utilize it. And we actually can change somebody's day, whether it's through a smile, right? Whether it is from a small compliment, whether it's from, like I said before, showing appreciation. You never know how you can show up in somebody's life. And that is a powerful thing about this mindset that I've adopted, which is that going to work, asking yourself how you can help somebody out. We have to live in service of others. We have to live to give. That's a saying that I like, that has been said in my family a lot. Live to give. We are on this plane of existence in order to give to people, give people a positive experiences. Give yourself a chance to make somebody's day. Give yourself a chance to inspire people. Give yourself a chance to believe in yourself. Whenever we adopt this mindset of what we can offer to people, then we are just gonna show up grateful, right? We're gonna start showing up with a very powerful attitude whenever we go into the shift. We are going to end up changing people's lives. You never know the amount of impact that you can have on somebody's life, and I'm here to remind you that you are very powerful, and you have that ability to change somebody's mood from negative to positive with a smile, with just showing up for yourself. It starts with showing up for yourself first. And something I like to do before I go into every single shift that I have is put my hand over my heart, take a few deep breaths, and say, please universe, allow me to have a wonderful, fun, and peaceful shift. And while I'm closing my eyes, I'm envisioning the perfect shift for me, right? I'm envisioning myself walking in there, putting a smile on my face, seeing other people light up from my smile, seeing other people light up, me dancing, right? Me singing, whatever a perfect shift looks like to you. This is what I'm envisioning every single time I say these words. And start to feel it. When we put our hand over our heart, it charges our heart center, and our heart center is where we have the ability to feel all of these emotions. And whenever you're envisioning a perfect shift, you are gonna start to feel that charge. You're gonna start to feel the love, and it's gonna prime you for the day, and it's gonna make you have a wonderful shift. That's my secret. That is how I always have a good shift every single day. And that is how you can have a good shift every single day. Once we adopt this mindset, and once we are able to set an intention every single shift, that is when our job and our work life can be fun. And we start to live in harmony. And we start to live in positive energy every single day. And we start to show up for ourselves. While we are showing up for ourselves, we're also showing up for other people. And so I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I really hope you guys learned something, gained some type of wisdom. I want to give a huge shout out to each and every one of you for the amount of engagement that I've had on my channel these past few weeks. It's been amazing to see all of the new people coming in to this YouTube channel and allowing me to share my knowledge and wisdom on how you can have a better life and awaken to your true abilities. It's been amazing, guys. Like, I think that I'm really on a path towards inspiration for a lot of people, and I just want to show my appreciation for you guys for showing up, liking my videos, viewing them, even commenting. I've had a lot of comments these past few weeks as well, and it warms my heart to know that I can do this for a living and inspire people just like you can. And so thank you from the bottom of my heart. I truly appreciate it. But with all that being said, my friends, have a wonderful afternoon, morning, or night wherever you're at. And peace, love, and happiness. Mwah.